turn up my sound here. Hello, it's Paula again, and I'm going live again today. This is a 30-day, hold on a second. Okay, yeah, this is a 30-day challenge. Having a little technical issues here. But anyway, I just wanted to pop on here again. Yesterday, after my live, my dear friend Kathy Del Rey, who I've known since kindergarten, asked if we could make a lip and cheek out of the crimson eyeshadow. And I told her, yes, we can do that. So I thought this is a great way to demo how to do that. So let's get started. Today I'm going to use my Pro palette. I used this on a movie set. I was a makeup artist for a movie last year at this time, and it's really important when you are doing makeup on a person, on an actress, on your client. It's really important that you keep everything sanitary. You cannot use the back of your hand while you're working on other people. So if you're a makeup artist, highly recommend you buy a palette, and then a spatula comes with it too. That way it's keeping your product sterilized, which is really important. So what I'm going to do first is, this is our lip balm, and what you're going to do is just scoop out a little bit onto your spatula, again keeping your product sanitized. And you place it on your spatula like that. Then I'm going to dip my finger into the crimson eyeshadow. Rub into it. Hi Tina Marie, hi Joe. Thank you for joining. And then take your finger with the eyeshadow on it and just rub it into the lip balm. Very pretty. See, it's pretty dark too, or bright, I should say. Then you can apply it on your lip. This is a very pretty color. It's almost like a brick red crimson. It's a great holiday color. Spring. Then what you have left over, you can apply it to your cheeks. And I've already applied my main, my highlight, and my contour. So this will be my lip and cheek color. Using your detail brush, going to tap that up into the hairline. This is very pretty. It's a nice warm red. It's not too bright. Very nice. And what's great about this technique too, for those of us who have gone through menopause, we have dry skin, the lip balm is moisturizing your skin along with your foundation, which is awesome. All right, so let's carry on. Now I'm going to apply this on my eyes. Just tap it. You can do the whole eyelid. Up into the crease. I really like the feel of this. It's creamy. And it's very easy to apply. Sometimes applying a powder. You know, my eyelid will sometimes move. You know, as we get older, we have that saggy eyelid. But using the lip balm with the eyeshadow, it creates a creamy eyeshadow, which is really nice. Okay. Again, I'm using my palette to keep everything sterilized. I'll do the other eye. And what's nice about this color, on the color wheel, green and red complement one another. So if you have green, hazel, blue eyes, this is really pretty. It will make your eyes pop. I'm going to create a little bit more to do my lips. Again, I'm taking my spatula, dipping it into the lip balm, putting it on the palette, keep everything sanitized, put my finger into the eyeshadow, and then rubbing my finger into the balm on top of the palette. And then applying it to my lips. And then if you want, you can line your lips before you use this. You can also use a lip liner. I like, for demo purposes, I like to use my fingers. I think I'll dab a little bit more on the cheeks. Using the detail brush, which is one of my favorites. And that's it. It's so easy, simple, quick, and easy. All right, do we have any questions?